Learning to code is one of the most valuable skills in today's world, but it can also feel overwhelming, especially when you're not sure where to start. Many people waste time and energy by making common mistakes during their learning journey. The good news? With the right approach, you can avoid these pitfalls and make your coding journey much smoother and more fun. First, it's super important to have a clear goal. Instead of saying, I want to learn coding, try something more specific, like I want to build a website or I'd love to create a mobile app. Having a goal keeps you focused and helps you see progress faster. Next, be mindful of the resources you choose. The internet is full of tutorials, but not all of them are beginner friendly or helpful. Start with interactive platforms or beginner focused books that break things down step by step. Don't overwhelm yourself with complex materials too early on. One common mistake is trying to learn everything at once. Coding has so many languages and tools, but you don't need to know them all. Pick one language, Python or JavaScript are great for beginners, and stick with it until you feel confident. Building small projects as you learn is a game changer. Speaking of projects, don't just read or watch tutorials. Start practicing as soon as you can. Even creating a basic calculator or a simple game will boost your skills and confidence. Remember, making mistakes is part of the process. If your code doesn't work, that's okay. Every bug you fix teaches you something new. In the end, coding is like learning a new language or picking up a musical instrument. It takes time and patience. The key is to focus on small, consistent steps rather than trying to master everything overnight. Know why you're learning, practice regularly, and celebrate the small wins along the way. So don't stress about being perfect or knowing everything right now. Just start, enjoy the process, and watch how far you'll go.